I got to give a huge shout out to BigPete405. Awesome dude. Doing his detailing gig down there on Long Island. He's been buying our stuff. He's been using our Liquid X. He's been using our D-Lime 90, which is pretty cool. He's been getting a ton of views down there on his channel. I appreciate that. And he just sent me in his results for doing some touchless washing with our M-Shine and Redline combo. And I figured I'd do a little reaction video here. Check this out.
Just shut the hood. Still drying.
Yeah.
No contact. And this is actually squeaky clean.
Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's actually pretty impressive, dude. I gotta tell you.
Thank you, man.
This truck is not been polished. It's in need of a polish.
It'll be easier
but
to polish.
Everything on it is there's absolutely no dirt. I'm not taking any dirt off.
I love that squeaking. That's crazy. Yeah, the polishing front will be easier once you get the M-Shine on there. The pores will get cleaned out on the aluminum way better. Well, let's.
That's actually pretty impressive, dude. I gotta tell you.
That's awesome.
I'm not taking any dirt off.
Oh, that's so great. That totally makes my day.
The before with the Chem-X.
Oh yeah, here's the before shot.
This is see if I can focus this. It's like a pollen. Tommy's foaming right now.
Snow foam in the air. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's not too bad as far as accumulation there. Our touchless stuff can take off more dirt than that, but it can't be on for too long. And we'll see here.
Tommy's foaming right crazy. Low boy unit, you can see the foam. They got it really clean.
Cool.
Gotta give you a fucking solid A on this. We both agreed on it. You can take your finger and there's not any dirt coming off whatsoever.
A fucking solid A.
You can even see how shiny the cam is. That was awesome. That was very fast to do a whole tractor trailer.
That's very fast, yeah. Yeah, here you go. Here's the problem.
Black
vehicle.
Chevy pickup truck. Let's see what we got going on here.
Oh man, that's just gonna be. I don't know about that.
Definitely dirty. Let's try this right now.
Look at under the handle. Yeah, you can't. That's been baking on there for a long time. I don't have high hopes here.
Let's see what happens. Let's see what the tailgate looks like.
You can get the surface stuff off, but there's going to be a layer of stuff left over.
So, we got a lot of surface stuff off. I'm obviously not going to post this, but it's definitely got. That's where you need a mitt.
That is right. You need a mitt.
Got a lot of.
That's where we come up with Liquid X. Liquid X takes the old stuff off. The touchless stuff, M-Shine Redline, take the new stuff off. It's a maintenance wash, not a miracle product.
All the loose shit is off it. But this truck definitely needs to get cleaned. It needs to get polished out. But it's still got the I don't know what you call it, the surface dirt. Like the heavy shit is off it. This is like kind of like you got to scrub it.
Road
you can
film.
see even after I scrub it,
Road
it's got little scratches in there. Besides the film, it's actually clean. But this, obviously the back's going to be the worst. But this, we just went over a little spot with some cleaner wax, and it really needs to, like you can see, there's like some marks, like from where the handprints is.
Oh. This. That's what it is. That's the stuff that you need to use physical contact to get off. Ask any touchless car wash what they think.
It definitely did stuff. But you can see this is actually on there. Like you really have to scrub it to get it off. And I just did this little spot right here. You can see it's a little swirled.
Yeah. So
Definitely took.
You can get a lot done after touchless wash with a quick detailer if it is this kind of dirty. That would fix it up. At least you're getting the heavy grit and grime off there. I would recommend Liquid X first, though. If you're ever up against anything like this old, as far as older road film that's been baked on, just hit it with Liquid X first, and then maintain it with the touchless stuff from there. And that's the way it is. Interesting situation, right? I mean, here you have 2 vehicles. You have a big rig that is literally squeaking. And then you have like this crazy, you know, it doesn't even look like anything got washed here at all on this other one. I mean, look at that. Horrible. So what's going on? You know, I mean, you have the same power washer, the same user, the same soap, same concentration, the same foam cannons. I'm sure, I don't know, I didn't see how he applied them, but I'm pretty sure he, Big Pete's pretty good about working with stuff the right way, so I'm pretty sure he did it the right way. What's the difference, you know? And I think it really boils down to how long is the road film baking on for? You know, if it's been going for the better part of the whole summer, just baking into the paint with the sun, I mean, black cars get even hotter, so they're gonna get, you know, they're gonna get very difficult to clean at a certain point. That's when you bust out physical contact. But I think this is just goes to show, like, that's where the touchless washes fit in. You can't just use, you know, you can't just do it after 6 months hitting it with the touchless wash and expect it to come out any good. And black shows pretty much everything, so that's a great way to test it and really get the point across what I'm saying here. So anyways, great work, Big Pete. I really appreciate the videos. Thank you so much. Let's keep on playing around with some soaps, man. Let's get together sometime. Take it easy, man.
You can even see how shiny the cam is. That was awesome. That was very fast.